super cool. What is going on, everybody? Okay, another video something review. To be honest, this is a mystery to me. Package arrived today from Superplastic. We did an unboxing of their minifigure series, which are totally awesome. They're Jankies, but we didn't order anything, and so yeah, this is a complete mystery. So this is kind of fun. We're opening it for the first time right now, so you all get to see what we see. If this is your first time checking out the channel, please subscribe, hit the bell notification. We do videos as much as we can. We do giveaways with some of the videos. We try to do some fun stuff here at SpankyStokes.com. So thank you for tuning in, and I guess away we go. Let's go and cut this thing open. See what Superplastic sent. I am very, very interested. Okay. Alright. Oh, looks like there might be a note. Okay. Hi, John. Thanks for your support. You rule. Love, Paul and Huck. Dang, that's a nice piece of cardstock right there. Well, Paul and Huck, thank you. I don't know what I'm thanking you for, but, well, actually I do. I've been collecting your toys and going to events and meeting you guys and just being part of the designer toy world with you guys for the past 11 years now. So thank you guys. This is super cool. Oh my goodness. Check it out, guys. It's the Fowler figure. Let me move this out of the way. Oh my gosh. Well, we might as well do an unboxing, right? I'm blanking on the name of this figure, but I know it's by Fowler. Awesome box. Nice and bright, just like the other stuff. Nice and simple. Superplastic. Let's go ahead and give this thing a little cut. Boom, there we go. I've been seeing these, and I've been stoked on how they look, and I get to see one in person. Oh my gosh. Yes. Look at how cool this figure is. That is super cool. So check it out, like the paint, colors, Superplastic, and the head comes off. Oh, that is so dope. Fits on really nicely, actually. Oh, and he has like a, check it out, it's like a little briefcase boom box that you can slip in his hand. Does that say super old? There you go. Oh, dude, that is so sick. I apologize for blanking on the name. Is that articulated? And I think this colorway I think it might be the one. It's hard for me to keep track. I apologize. But I know they did like a few for the Kickstarter, and I think they might have released one or two after the Kickstarter. But dang, that is so rad, and what a nice gift. I'm pretty beside myself right now. Kind of floored. Superplastic is doing good things. This is quality, like just everything about it. Look at that paint. Really, really nice. And Pete is like one of the best character designers out there, so this dude has got some serious swag. On a scale of 1 to 60 swags, he's like a 65 swags. So cool. I don't know if you guys can tell. Oh, that rotates too. But this is like a clear, like, translucent. You see right there. Vinyl. Really, really cool. Thank you guys. Thank you, Superplastic. Thank you, Paul and Huck. I like what you guys are doing. This is very unexpected. Very surprised. Came home to a package from you guys. And now I know what the mystery is. Now I know what's inside. So thank you. And thank you, Pete, for making a sick toy and just making rad figures again. I think the last time we saw something from you was Dude Box, right? Yeah, I think so. So here you are, Superplastic. Thank you so much again, guys. Mystery revealed. So, thank you guys for watching. I'm just full of thanks tonight. I'm just very, very thankful. I'm a thankful person. I really am. I'm so thankful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like this video, leave a comment down below, and tell me what this is. What colorway this is. All you Superplastic fanatics out there, all you janky junkies, hit me up. Let me know what this is. Leave a comment and look for our next video. I think we have like 5 or 6 reviews coming up that are in the can. I just need to edit them. So, boom, we got some fun reviews to do for you to check out. So, all right. Until next time, just like every time, peace and hair grease. See ya, Mr. Fowler.